Okay, so I took some inspiration from this little pocket whiteboard that costs $89 and is literally just a little dry erase board. And I thought, well, how can I make that myself and then also make it a little more personal? So I thought, it's been a long time since I've done any like the leather work. I used to make like passport holders and stuff, not with a laser, but I would cut them out. And I thought, okay, let's try that. So I designed this really quickly in the X-Tool software and cut it out. I will say using the laser did burn the edges, and my house still smells great. But it worked really quickly and really neatly. And here I'm just making the marks for where I'm going to use the leather awl to sew that. So I was doing the spacer to begin, and then I was the little wheel there puts the little holes in to sew into. So here I'm using a leather awl, which is just a well, it's like a little hand sewer that threads the thread through the center. You pull it the whole way through, and then you pull it back, and you'll see here I'll go through those little stitch holes I had, push the whole way through, then pull back, and then that opens up a little slot. I slide that excess through, pull it back in, and it creates a nice seam. This works really well. I will say the camera here, I'm not blaming my poor sewing. I used to be good. I probably could be again. But here I definitely just didn't have a good angle because the camera was in the way. And here I'm making little crease points with the Happy Gilmore leftover tool, a golf tool head there. So it's not a tool head, but the golf head there. So still reduce reusing. And then here I'm staining the edges to seal them and then make it look clean with the little leather tanner there. And then yeah, so I got these blank ID cards on Amazon, and then I just put a couple in the pocket I sewed in, and then I'm gluing one to the other side to make that more permanent. And then I put my emblem on the front because why not? I also was waiting on the 3D printer, so I had some time. So I put the azimuth emblem on the front of it while this printed. All this is a very simple hexagon. It's a pen. I took this little dry erase marker kit I bought and cut it and then put that inside of it. Threw a little hot glue on it to seal the end, but also to seal it into that pen holder there that I printed, and then it goes right inside the wallet there where I made those cuts. It works nice. It doesn't show up well on the camera, but it does work nice. And you'll see here really only one more thing to say about it.